I'm doing well.
Good. Well, सुना है कि go ahead.
I'm feeling great. I'm back on radio after 6 years. The
Wow.
last radio show I had done was from 2006 or 7.
Oh wow. So
I'm
was
feeling
was
great.
this in Shillong that you did the radio show or when you came to Kolkata?
No, this was in Shillong. This was with All India Radio.
Oh
I
wow.
started my career with All India Radio Shillong.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
It was something serious youth talk, nothing fancy. Some serious youth talk, or I was like some bhashan or something. I don't remember what it was.
No, we like loose talk. We just like the general stuff. We don't want to do serious stuff on the radio. Radio is supposed to be fun.
Palami, you haven't been listening to us lately, have you?
Throughout my career, I didn't have any options. I had to do it.
Well, Chaz is saying you need to tune into more of our shows then, so you'll know what kind of loose talk we talk.
Yeah. We say what they want, what the others won't say.
So I would love to listen to some of the news talk.
Well, so this is Polami from India. She is a budding talented writer. In fact, I'm sure a lot of listeners who are listening in India and hopefully in the Bay Area, I'm pretty sure, she has spun off a story off of one of the most infamous TV serials that came last year, Geet Hui Sabse Parai. She actually took the characters of Man and Geet, but the story is completely hers and it's a different one. Nothing related to the TV serial, but the characters have been taken off of the TV serial.
But I have a question.
Yes.
Palami? I'm wondering, here was a wonderful show, but you saw something that wasn't being expressed. What was your motivation? What to write this book? I mean, what motivated you? Was it that you saw something wasn't being expressed? Was something left out? What caused you to write this book?
Actually, I never thought I'd write a novel in the first place. I used to write tidbits, newspapers and magazines and all that. But that was a long forgotten story. But then this person, Man Singh Khurana, he made me write a novel.
Yeah,
there was nothing missing. It was personality which made
so we just want to clarify. We want to clarify this. We're talking about the character Man Singh Khurana, but right? I mean, because a lot of people always seem to cross between that reality and real life. They kind of intertwine it and then become confused individuals.
Hey, that's a matter of opinion.
Well, it is my opinion.
Are you
anyways.
insinuating something here? Are you talking to me?
No, I'm not.
You talking to me?
Let's get back to Polami. So for you, Polami, it was the character of Man Singh Khurana that really motivated you to come up with a story.
Yes, actually, I wanted to, sitting in modern day India, I wanted to create that character, that political character, which all of us dream of.
Right.
Someday there will be somebody who's going to come and change this entire country.
Right.
But
right.
it doesn't happen. We keep waiting. That person never comes. So I just thought I'll create Man. Who will come and put an end to all our sorrows.
Absolutely.
And also,
Where'd it go, man?
Man Singh Khurana is the man.
Yeah, Man Singh Khurana is the man. He's my hero. But he's not Man Singh Khurana here. He's only Man.
Right.
He doesn't use a surname.
Right,
because
right.
he feels a surname adds to a regional tag. Because in India, you can identify a person with the surname.
Correct,
This person
correct.
is from North, this person is from South.
Right.
So it's like breaking that barrier.
Right,
in the
right.
first place.
Yeah. I mean, I kind of read a brief description of your book and it's very, very, very interesting. Oh, and not to get sidetracked, I still did not get my answer as to how do I get an autographed copy of your book?
I noticed you just...
You can log into Pothi.com. Pothi.com and you can just book your order. It will be shipped to you within 2 to 3 weeks. I guess you'll have to use a credit card. For India, you can use a debit card, but from there you'll have to use a credit card and you can book your copy.
No,
that's
wo
not
I
the
know
one.
that.
No,
that
wait a minute. That doesn't get it autographed.
Exactly my point. That I know. But how do we have you autograph the book?
Do you want my autograph or my hero's autograph? Because my hero's autograph is already there on the book.
नहीं we want your autograph. तुम्हारा हीरो को हम क्या करेंगे?
Okay. Then I'll have to send it across myself. So give me your address. I'll send it across myself.
Now we are
I
talking.
wanted my hero's autograph.
Wait a
No.
minute, Palami, do you accept credit card?
He wants to know if you accept credit cards.
So no, that's very interesting. I mean, I've always been a very big fan. I mean, I'm a voracious reader, and I've always been a very big fan of anything creative. I mean, we are in the creative field, right, Chaz? I mean, and we try to bring this whole world together.
They don't call us starving artists for nothing.
Exactly. So, so when you started writing this book, I mean, how long did it take? I mean, was it easy for you to come up with the concept? Or how did you come up with the concept of this political...
The concept was pretty easy. The coming up with the concept was pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
But then, I started facing other problems. Like, I am very sloppy on typos and paragraphing. There are still some glitches. I know there are still some glitches in the book. I'm very... I miss out on punctuations and all.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the major issue.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you write something, as they say, like, it's like... when you want to get your true love, you really have to fight a lot for it.
Right.
It was like Ranjha and Romeo and Juliet kind of thing for me also.
Mm-hmm.
Singer is, in this case, is my true love.
Mm-hmm.
And so, but then I also got a lot of people who helped me with this.
Right.
The marketing, publicity, networking.
Mm-hmm.
It's all being done by deep fans,
Right,
Somewhere
exactly.
or the others,
Everyone
was
was
related to the serial.
right.
What was the biggest hurdle that you came across when trying to create this book?
The biggest hurdle was finding a publisher.
I can see that.
You get
Yeah.
hundreds of people, you get hundreds of writers, actually thousands of writers who want their work to be published.
Mm-hmm.
But then I also came across this power which Pothi has given us.
Correct.
Self-publishing.
Mm-hmm.
It's my democratic right to get published, and nobody can stop me from doing it. So
Right.
Pothi is really doing a commendable job.
That's great.
They're
I mean,
doing
they
are doing a commendable job, and they are one of the most user-friendly self-publishing agencies in India at present.
Okay. So you did it self-publishing. It's not like you got an agent or anyone, but you just did it all by yourself.
No, this is self-published. And the entire publicity wasn't done by any professional.
Mm-hmm.
It was, just we sat and we planned things, and we made book trailers.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing has been done by anybody related to this industry, to the publishing industry.
Mm-hmm.
Some are students, some are housewives,
Mm-hmm.
some are professionals working in some other field.
Wow.
So all of us came
So
together and made this novel.
Also made books. So what
I
was...
am only the writer, but then, there are maybe about 50 people who've helped me with this in some way or the other.
So what was... so I'm assuming since you've got the autograph of your hero on it, how hard was it to get hold of him to get you that autograph on the book?
It wasn't very hard to get hold of him. It was only a few. It wasn't very hard.
Oh, my.
I got the number pretty easily, and I called him. I just mailed him whatever was the details.
Mm-hmm.
And Gurmeet was very helpful.
Mm-hmm.
He said he liked the concept, and that was the turning point. Like my inspiration, saying yes, I've liked the concept of your book.
Mm-hmm.
That was the turning point.
That
I really felt great.
And
Then he really sent me. I never expected him to send me a message. Also, he did send me a message, which is there on the 5th page of my book.
Mm-hmm.
And people say it's looking the best. The 5th page, it seems, looks the best.
Well, everyone is biased for Gurmeet, right? They're just going to say, anything that Gurmeet does is like, okay, the best. We have extremities here. You either hate him or you love him. So that's how it's going to work out with him.
there's no in between.
Exactly.
Anyways, you can't ignore him.
There you go.
He's an attention getter, yeah.
Yeah, there we go. See?
That's what.
So what was your...
Singer is actually, it's the journey of girl power. There was no man involved in this entire project. It's an all-girls project.
But it was inspired by a man.
Yes, it was inspired by a man.
So Manu, you're saying that behind the success of every woman, there is a man?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Or is it the other way around? Now you're changing the statements here now. I always heard that behind the success of every man there is a woman.
Notice that Chaz is remaining silent on this.
He doesn't want to get into a controversial subject here on radio. See, it's going to be all recorded. So he's been very careful about this topic.
Yeah, because it's 3 women against 1 man, right?
Well, we're talking about women power here,
yeah.
right, Manu? Hey, Manu, since you're online, I heard something very interesting. And you've started a fan page for Gurmeet, right? And he personally mentioned you and Eva about it. So how did you feel about that?
Oh, we were really surprised and thrilled because he's a very hard person to get a hold of, as Paloma was telling. And so we just told some of our friends, of course, from Rangmanch, Swati and Niharika, that, we wanted to get a word to him that there's a page out here that we have worked hard on it, and we wanted, all the fans to join or come and support him. And they were kind enough to mention it to him, and then he came on camera. And he talked about us, and he loved the fan page, and we were thrilled that he got to see it, and that he knows it exists, and that we are working hard for him and supporting him in whatever the project that he may do, and whatever he has done in the past. Also, we have all the videos and photos and different things on the page.
See, even Chaz liked your page.
Oh, yes, I know. I noticed that. Thank you, Chaz.
See, even a guy accepted a fan page.
Hey, I'm not just any guy.
You are Chaz, the hot guy.
I see beyond.
You could give a good running competition to GC any day, right, Chaz?
I wouldn't want him to feel bad.
Oh, I know that. We just don't want to take him down now, do we?
Nah,
let the guy have his 15 minutes of fame, right?
Everyone needs
just,
that.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just sit back and then, let him have it.
Yeah, but when you're ready, you call me.
Oh, absolutely, definitely. I know where to reach you. So, though you are listening to Chaz and Alima on Rangmanch Bay area, you must have already kind of deduced that we are doing a special with Polami, who's been a writer for Pinjar, and the book has just been published. And we're also doing a special tribute to Gurmeet Chowdhury, who happens to be one of our very aspiring, greatest upcoming actors in the TV industry. He's done a lot of films, but his birthday is coming up on the 22nd of February, and Rangmanch Bay area, in association with Chaparali Productions and Rangmanch TV in India, have decided to do a little segment to wish Gurmeet a very, very, very happy birthday. We are heading into a little break right now.
Already?
I know.
I just got here.
I know the time goes by so fast. And Polami and Manu, you guys kind of want to call back in another 5 minutes or so as we get into our commercials, or you guys want to stay online? You can stay online.
Yeah, we'll stay online.
Okay, so we'll be coming back right after these messages from the sponsors.